Hello, my name is William Carter. I usually go by Wes. Um, this is my fourth semester at Lawson. I am studying, I've got a liberal arts major with a concentration in social work. I plan to graduate next semester and then seek to go to a four-year university to continue my social work studies. Currently, I am a freelance graphic designer, and I have been a graphic designer for over 20 years. My hobbies include painting, landscapes, and abstracts, and other forms. I also enjoy jogging, hiking, camping, basically getting outdoors. And I also enjoy reading a great deal. So I'm looking forward to the literature class and being exposed to authors that I'm not familiar with.